Welcome. Today we're diving deep into a critical health topic: stroke. A stroke is a serious medical emergency that demands our attention. It's vital to understand what a stroke is, the risks it poses, and the steps we can take to protect ourselves and our loved ones. Imagine your brain as a powerful engine, constantly requiring a steady flow of oxygen-rich blood to function correctly. Now picture this flow suddenly interrupted. This is precisely what happens during a stroke, a disruption of blood supply to the brain. This disruption can occur in two primary ways, leading to two main types of stroke. The implications of this interruption are significant, often resulting in lasting damage and impacting various aspects of a person's life. By understanding the intricacies of stroke, we can arm ourselves with knowledge, enabling us to make informed decisions about our health and well-being. Stroke is not a rare occurrence. It's a global health concern that affects millions of people each year. Statistics paint a stark picture, revealing the widespread impact of this condition. Worldwide, stroke stands as a leading cause of death and long-term disability. The sheer number of individuals affected underscores the urgency for greater awareness and preventive measures. The economic burden of stroke is significant, encompassing healthcare costs, lost productivity, and the need for ongoing care. This emphasizes the far-reaching consequences of this condition on both individuals and society. The good news is that by understanding the risk factors and warning signs of stroke, we can collectively work towards reducing its incidence and mitigating its devastating effects. To fully grasp the dangers of stroke, it's crucial to understand what transpires within the brain during such an event. The brain, a complex organ responsible for our every thought, action, and sensation, relies heavily on a constant supply of oxygen and nutrients delivered through our bloodstream. When a stroke occurs, this vital blood flow is disrupted, depriving brain cells of the oxygen they need to survive. Within minutes, these oxygen-deprived cells begin to die, leading to brain damage. The extent of this damage depends on several factors, including the location of the blockage or bleed, the duration of the stroke, and the overall health of the individual. The brain is incredibly adaptable, but even with prompt treatment, stroke can leave lasting effects. Understanding the science behind stroke allows us to appreciate the urgency of seeking immediate medical attention when symptoms arise and emphasizes the importance of preventive measures. Strokes are broadly categorized into two main types, ischemic and hemorrhagic, each with distinct mechanisms and implications. Ischemic stroke, the most common type, occurs when a blood vessel supplying blood to the brain becomes blocked. This blockage is often caused by a blood clot, a clump of blood cells that forms in a blood vessel and restricts blood flow. Imagine a traffic jam in one of the brain's vital arteries, preventing the delivery of essential oxygen and nutrients. Hemorrhagic stroke, on the other hand, results from a weakened blood vessel in the brain rupturing and bleeding into the surrounding brain tissue. This bleeding, much like a burst pipe, puts pressure on brain cells, disrupting their function and potentially leading to cell death. Both types of stroke are serious medical emergencies that require immediate attention. Understanding these different mechanisms helps healthcare professionals tailor treatment strategies and emphasizes the importance of prompt diagnosis. Section 5. The devastating impact stroke's effects on the body. The impact of a stroke can be profound, affecting various bodily functions and impacting an individual's quality of life. One of the most significant consequences is brain damage, which can manifest in a wide range of ways depending on the area of the brain affected. Paralysis, particularly on one side of the body, is a common outcome of stroke, affecting mobility and independence. Imagine losing the ability to move your arm or leg, the challenges it would pose to everyday tasks we often take for granted. Speech and swallowing difficulties are also frequent challenges faced by stroke survivors. Communication, a cornerstone of human interaction, can become a struggle, and even the simple act of swallowing food can become arduous. Furthermore, stroke can have a profound impact on mental health, leading to emotional distress, anxiety, and depression. The journey to recovery is often fraught with emotional hurdles, requiring support, understanding, and access to appropriate mental health resources. Section 6. Risk factors. Who is at risk of stroke? Stroke can affect anyone, but certain risk factors increase susceptibility. High blood pressure, the silent killer, is a leading risk factor. Like water pressure in a hose, it strains blood vessel walls. Diabetes elevates stroke risk by damaging blood vessels. High cholesterol leads to plaque buildup, restricting blood flow. Smoking damages blood vessels, increasing clotting risk. Obesity links to high blood pressure, diabetes, and cholesterol. A balanced diet and regular exercise are crucial for prevention. Section 7. Preventing stroke, taking charge of your health. Many strokes are preventable. Healthy habits and managing risk factors can reduce stroke chances. Quitting smoking lowers stroke risk. Smoking cessation improves cardiovascular health. A diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and lean protein helps manage weight and blood pressure. Regular physical activity reduces stroke risk. Stress management through relaxation techniques is crucial. Embrace these measures for a healthier future. Section 8. Recognizing the signs, fast action for stroke. Time is of the essence when it comes to stroke. Recognizing the signs early and seeking immediate medical attention can make all the difference in outcomes and recovery. The FAST acronym is an easy-to-remember tool for identifying stroke symptoms. Ask the person to smile. Does one side of the face droop? Ask the person to raise both arms. Does one arm drift downward? Ask the person to repeat a simple phrase. Is their speech slurred or strange? If you observe any of these signs, even if they are fleeting, call 911 immediately. Early recognition and prompt medical intervention can significantly improve outcomes for stroke patients. Don't hesitate to call for help if you suspect a stroke. Every second counts. Section 9. Emergency response. Every second counts. When a stroke occurs, every second counts. The brain is highly sensitive to oxygen deprivation, and prompt medical attention is crucial for minimizing damage and improving chances of recovery. Calling 911 or your local emergency number should be the immediate response upon recognizing stroke symptoms. Time lost is brain lost, and swift action is paramount. Emergency medical personnel are trained to recognize and respond to stroke quickly, administering life-saving treatments and transporting the patient to a hospital equipped to handle stroke emergencies. Upon arrival at the hospital, a specialized medical team will conduct a rapid assessment, including imaging scans to determine the type and location of the stroke, guiding treatment decisions. Remember, stroke is a medical emergency, and delaying treatment can have devastating consequences. Act fast and call for help immediately if you or someone around you exhibits stroke symptoms. Section 10. Key takeaways: stroke's impact and prevention. As we've discussed, stroke is a serious medical condition with the potential to cause lasting damage and disability. The disruption of blood flow to the brain during a stroke can lead to a cascade of events affecting various bodily functions. We've explored the two main types of stroke: ischemic and hemorrhagic, each with distinct causes and implications. Understanding these differences is crucial for tailoring treatment strategies and improving outcomes. We've also delved into the risk factors associated with stroke, highlighting the importance of managing conditions like high blood pressure, diabetes, and high cholesterol. By controlling these risk factors, we can significantly reduce our chances of experiencing a stroke. Remember, stroke is largely preventable. Adopting a healthy lifestyle, including a balanced diet, regular exercise, and stress management, can make a world of difference in reducing your risk. Section 11. Your health matters. Take action today. Your health is your most valuable asset. Don't wait for a health crisis to take charge of your well-being. Take proactive steps today to reduce your risk of stroke and protect your future. Schedule regular checkups with your healthcare provider, monitoring your blood pressure, cholesterol levels, and blood sugar. Early detection and management of these risk factors are crucial. If you smoke, quit. There's no better time than now to break free from this harmful habit. Seek support from healthcare professionals or support groups to increase your chances of success. Embrace a healthy lifestyle. Make gradual changes to your diet and exercise routine. Start with small, achievable goals and gradually work your way towards a healthier you. Remember, knowledge is power. The more you know about stroke, its risk factors, and preventive measures, the better equipped you'll be to make informed decisions about your health. Take action today and prioritize your well-being.